First, tell me what do you mean by an indefinite integrals? Indefinite integrals means there will be no limits. That is, an indefinite integral is an integral which is not having any lower limit as well as any upper limit. Okay. Basically, there are three methods available in order to solve the given indefinite integrals. First one is integrations by substitution. While evaluating the given integrals by using the substitution method, some integrals can be computed by using the direct substitutions. Some needs indirect substitutions. There are certain functions in which some standard forms are to be applied. Let's see one by one. See the first problem, integral. The integrand is here sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x upon 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x dx. What is the integrand here? Sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x upon 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Okay. So, how can we integrate sine power 8x minus cos power 8x? This is of the form a power n minus b power n. So it can be written as sine power 4x plus cos power 4x into sine power 4x minus cos power 4x. Like a power 4 minus b power 4, a power 8 minus b power 8 is a power 4 plus b power 4 into a power 4 minus b power 4. Okay. Divided by, in the denominator, I'm having 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So this 1 can be replaced by sine square x plus cos square x because we know that sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So this 1 can be replaced by sine square x plus cos square x the whole square minus 2 sine square x cos square x dx. Okay, so sine power 4x plus cos power 4x in the numerator into sine power 4x minus cos power 4x divided by, expand this, you'll be getting sine power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 2 sine square x cos square x. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. So the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sine power 4x plus cos power 4x plus 2 sine square x cos square x minus 2 sine square x cos x, the remaining term. So this will get cancelled. Plus 2 sine square x cos square x minus 2 sine square x cos square x will get cancelled. So what is the remaining term? What's the remaining term? Sine power 4x minus cos power 4x dx. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Just a minute. How to scroll down this page? It's not showing here. This is the form sine power, it is the form a power 4 minus b power 4. So a square plus b square into a square minus b square formula. Apply here. So sine square x plus cos square x into sine square x minus cos square x. So what you're getting is sine square plus x, plus cos square x is 1. So what you're getting is sine square x minus cos square x dx. How to integrate this? Integral sine square x minus cos square x dx. What's the formula? Cos 2x is sine square x minus cos square x. The formula is sine square x minus cos square x is cos 2x. So substitute here. So integral cos 2x. What is integral cos 2x? Integral cosine function is sine. So minus sine 2x by 2. The constant term is 2. So minus sine 2x by 2 plus constant of integration. Okay. The next problem is evaluate integral x square upon a plus bx the whole square dx. This is integral calculus. I've studied integral calculus. Any doubts in this up to this? Yeah, based on 12th. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubts. Shall I proceed further?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What's your doubt?
Ma'am, can you explain minus of integral cos 2x dx term? How you got
Yeah,
sine 2x by 2?
it's a formula, ma. What is integral sin x?
Sin x is minus cos x. Cos x.
Minus cos. Minus cos x or cos x?
Cos x.
Cos x. No, minus cos x. What's the differentiation
Minus
of sin x?
cos x.
Cos x. What is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x. Differentiation and integration are inverse
Opposite.
process. Yeah.
Okay.
So integral sin x is minus cos x. Okay. Integral sin x is not cos x, minus cos x. Integral cos x is sin x. Here I am having integral cos 2x. So integral cos 2x is sin x, but I'm having instead of x, I'm having cos 2x. 2 is a constant. It is the general form is cos ax. Ax or bx. A is greater than 0. A is a constant. So the constant term is 2. So I'm getting sine 2x by 2. It's an integration, no? So you will be getting the constant terms in the denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
Sine
Thank you.
2x by 2. Yeah. Any doubts? Shall I proceed? I'm unable to scroll down this page. So I will stop sharing. Then I have to go and again I have to start sharing. So please bear with me today. I'll rectify this problem in the next class. I don't know how to scroll down this page without doing this. Just a minute. Next problem is evaluate integral x square upon a plus bx the whole square dx. So here I'm using the substitution that a plus bx equals t. Okay, a plus bx equal to t. From this, you find x, value of x. What is bx? Bx equal to t minus a. Bring this a to this side. So t minus a. From this, x is t minus a divided by b. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So what you'll be getting? This one, a plus bx equal to t. Differentiate this with respect to x. So b is a constant. Differentiation of x is dx equals differentiation of t is dt. Yes, this is based on 12th CBSE syllabus. Integration by substitution is one of the method to evaluate the given indefinite integrals. The other two methods are integration by parts and integration using partial fractions. Yes. So dx is dt by b. Therefore, the given integral becomes, what is the integrand? X square by a plus bx the whole square. So what is x? X is t minus a by b. So replace it here. What you will be getting? T minus a by b the whole square divided by a plus bx the whole square. What is a plus bx? It is t. So you'll be getting t square in the denominator. Dx is dt by b. Take 1 by b square outside since it's a constant. So 1 by b square integral t minus a the whole square divided by t square dt by b. Okay. Just I have taken the constant term b square outside. So 1 by b square integral t minus a the whole square. Denominator is t square dt. I have one more constant 1 by b. It is inside only. So t minus a the whole square by t square. T minus a the whole square. Expand this. You'll be getting t square minus 2at plus a square. It is for the form a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. T square minus 2at plus a square upon t square dt by b. Okay. Now divide each and every term inside the bracket by t square. Okay, so t square by t square is 1. The first term is 1 minus 280 by t square. The second term is 280. So if we divide 280 by t square, then you will be getting 2a by t. T by t square is 1 by t. The last term is a square by t square. It can be written as a square t to the power minus 2. T to the power minus 2 dt. Now I'm going to integrate with respect to the new variable t, because I have used the substitution here a plus bx equal to t. It's a function of x. Now we have changed into the function of t. Okay, so now it becomes t. So integrate with respect to t. What's the first term? 1. So 1 dt. What is integral dt? Integral dt is t. Like integral dx is x. Integration and differentiation will get cancelled. So you'll be getting x. So the first term is t. Integral dt is t, or you can separate the integrals if you don't understand. The next term is minus 2a by t. Minus 2a is a constant here. So minus 2a, right, as it is. The function is 1 by t. Integral 1 by t dt. Integral 1 by t dt. What is integral 1 by t dt? It is log t. How it is log t? What's the formula? Integral dx by x, or integral
Log
1
x.
by x. Yes, log x. Integral 1 by x dx. Or we can say like this. If the differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator, if the differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator, what is the differentiation of t dt? Okay, what is the differentiation of t dt? It is in the numerator. So I can write log of the denominator. So log t minus 2a log t plus a square. Here I am having t power minus 2. T power minus 2 dt. So if you integrate, you will be getting t power minus 1 by minus 1. What is the formula I have applied here? Integral x to the power n dx. Integral x power n dx. What is integral x power n dx? X to the power n plus 1 by
N
n
plus
plus
1
1.
by n plus 1.
Yes, very good. N plus 1 by n plus 1, provided n is greater than 0. N must be greater than 0. Then only it is valid. Otherwise it is 0. Sorry, otherwise it is not valid. Because if you take n
N
equal to,
is not equal.
yes, n equal to 0, then the denominator will be 0. Then it becomes infinity. Am I right?
Infinite. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
N should
So,
not be equal to 1 also.
yes. So t to the power minus 1 by minus 1. Since t is a dummy variable, since it's a substitution, okay, so again we have to replace it in terms of x. What is the substitution we have used here? A plus bx equal to t. A plus bx equal to t. So replace it everywhere. Wherever you have t, replace it in terms of x. So I'm going to replace it now. The constant term is 1 by b square. Inside the bracket, I'm having t. Okay, so what is t? T is a plus bx. Bring this b inside. So what will be getting? A plus bx by b minus 2a logarithm t. Log t is log of, again t is a plus bx. So log of a plus bx by b minus a square by b. Bring this b inside the bracket. So you are getting a square by b. Here I'm having minus 1 by t. T inverse is 1 by t. So minus 1 by t, it is nothing but minus 1 by t is a plus bx again. So this is the answer. Any doubt in this problem? Have any doubts?
Yeah, Kirtana, say, madam, how to solve that. Meenakshi, you
Ma'am.
understand?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Going to scroll this.
Ma'am, you have arrows on your right to the screen. You have
Yes.
small bar, light
Small.
color bar. Please move your arrow to the right of your screen. Move.
Just a minute.
To your right now. No, not there, ma'am. Here, right.
How to move?
Ma'am, here, yes, ma'am. Move. Ma'am, you have small arrow right there, ma'am. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
there. Yes, yes. You got it, ma'am?
Yeah, got it. Now you are able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay, thank you. So now simplify. The final answer is 1 by b square is the constant term. It is outside. There's nothing but the simplification only. Divide the first term by b. So what you're getting? Bx by b is x, cancelling b. So you are getting x plus a by b minus 2a by b log of a plus bx minus a square by b into 1 by a plus bx. So this is the final answer. I move on to the next problem. Evaluate integral x to the power 5, it is in the numerator, upon square root of 1 plus x cube dx. X to the power 5 upon square root of 1 plus x cube dx. How can we do this problem? What substitution we can use here? See the numerator and denominator as well. What substitution we can use here? I have taken 1 plus x cube as t square. Why? Because we have x to the power 5, it is an algebraic function. We have x to the power 5 in the numerator. So if I rewrite it as x to the power 5 as x square into x cube, okay. And if I differentiate 1 plus x cube with respect to x, I'll be getting 3x square term. So I can replace it easily here. X square dx. I can replace x square dx in terms of t. That's why I have taken as 1 plus x cube as t square. You all understand? See, in the numerator, we have x to the power 5, right? Okay, in the denominator, we have x cube, 1 plus x cube. We know that the differentiation of x cube is 3x square. And we can rewrite it as, we can rewrite x to the power 5 as x square into x cube. So we have, now we are getting x square term in the numerator. Okay, so it can be replaced in terms of t. If you use the substitution, that is 1 plus x cube equal to t square. Got the point? Shall I proceed? Any doubts? So take 1 plus x cube equal to t square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. What you are getting? X cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx, right? 3x square dx equal to t square. Differentiation of t square is 2t dt. Find x square dx from this. Because x square dx, because we have x square in the numerator. Okay. So from this x square dx is 2 by 3 t dt. Now the given integral becomes integral x to the power 5 is x square into x cube upon square root of 1 plus x cube dx. Okay. Now see the numerator, I'm having x square dx in the numerator. So x square dx is 2 by 3 t dt. It is replaced by 2 by 3 dt here into x cube. So find x cube from this. 1 plus x cube is t square, right? So x cube is t square minus 1. Replace it here. So t square minus 1 upon square root of 1 plus x cube. So square root of t square. Okay, now it is in the form of, now the given integral reduces to this form. 2 by 3 is a constant, take it outside. So 2 by 3 integral, bring this t inside the bracket. So what you will be getting is t cube minus t. Okay, t cube minus t by square root of t square dt. So 2 by 3 integral t cube minus t. What is square root of t square? So square root of t square is t dt. Okay, so integral t cube minus t by t. Divide t cube by t. We'll be getting t square minus t by t is 1. So t square minus 1 dt. Integrate this. What is integral t square dt? Integral t square dt is
T cube
just
by
answer
3.
me. Yes, t cube by 3 minus integral dt is t. The second term is integral dt. It is minus t plus constant of integration is c. Since t is a dummy variable, okay, we have to replace it again by x in terms of x. What substitution we have used here? 1 plus x cube equal to t square. So replace in the place of t. What is t? T cube. Since t square is 1 plus x cube, from this find the value of t. T square equal to 1 plus x cube. Therefore, t is 1 plus x cube whole to the power 1 by 2. Okay, 1 plus x cube raise the power 1 by 2. So replace it here 1 plus x cube power 3 by 2. Because we have t cube, so 3 by 2 by 3 minus t is 1 plus x cube power 1 by 2 plus c. It's a constant of integration. Any doubts? The next problem is integral x cos square x dx. Integral x cos square x dx. The integrand is here x cos square x dx. That is the product of the algebraic function and trigonometric function x into cos square x. So now to evaluate this integral, first we need to write the formula for cos square x. We need to get the simplified form. Okay. We have to simplify it, then only we can integrate. What's the formula for cos square x? What is cos 2x in terms of cos square x? What's the formula for cos 2x in terms of cos square x? Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the formula. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So from this 2 cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x, or cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this is the formula. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Replace it here. 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. So 1 by 2 integral x into 1 plus cos 2x dx. Here we can separate the integrals because we have two functions. Addition of x and cos 2x. So x dx, integral x dx is the first integral, plus integral again product of x and that is algebraic function and the trigonometry function. So x into cos 2x, product of x and cos 2x, x into cos 2x dx. The first integral is easy. It is easy to evaluate. 1 by 2 is a constant. Here I am having integral x dx. Integral x dx is x square by 2. That is, what's the formula here? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus integral cos 2x dx. This the form integral u dv. This is based on integration by parts. Integration by parts. I am using this formula. This formula is known as Bernoulli's formula. Bernoulli's formula is integral u dv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. The dash means the differentiation here. Suffix is 1, 2, 3 means integration. Okay, this is known as Bernoulli's formula. Integral u dv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. Okay, this is the formula I'm going to apply here. What is u? My u is x. V is integral cos 2x dx. Dv is cos 2x. dv is cos 2x. So x. What is v? Integral cos 2x. Integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. U is x. Okay. The first term is uv. I have taken u as x. This is dv. The entire term, the remaining term is dv. This is of the form integral u dv. This part is dv. Integral u dv. U is x, dv is cos 2x dx. So apply in this formula uv. U is x. What is v? dv is cos 2x dx. Cos 2x dx. So integral dv is v. Okay, right. So what is v? Integrate cos 2x. Cos 2x is integral cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. So uv minus u dash. X is u is x. So u dash is differentiation of x. It is 1 minus u dash v1. V1 means differentiation. Integration of v is v1. So again we have to integrate this one. Already we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x. Already I have 1 minus, so it becomes plus. So cos 2x, already I have 1 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 4 because I will get 2 one more time. So it becomes 1 by 4. So plus cos 2x by 4. If you differentiate again, that is, this is u dash. If you find u double dash, then it becomes 0. So you stop with this. Do you all understand this part? This is of the form integral u dv. Here u is x, this part is dv. Cos 2x dx is dv. Integral u dv. dv is cos 2x dx. The formula is integral u dv is uv minus u dash v1, alternately positive and negative signs, plus u double dash v2 minus etc. This formula is known as Bernoulli's formula. Dash means differentiation, suffix 1, 2, 3 means integration in this formula. Okay, so I'm going to apply this formula u into v. My u is x. What is v? Integral dv is v. Okay, dv is cos 2x dx. dv is cos 2x dx. Therefore v. To get v, we have to integrate this function cos 2x dx. Integral cos 2x is sin 2x, that we know, by the constant term plus sin 2x by 2. Okay, so uv is over, minus is in the formula, so write minus here. U dash means I have to differentiate u. My u is x, so if you differentiate x with respect to x, then you'll be getting 1. What is v1? V1 is integral v. This is v. So I need to integrate this. Already we have 1 by 2. So if you integrate sin 2x, you'll be getting minus cos 2x. Already we have minus in the formula, so it becomes plus. Integral sin 2x is cos 2x. Already we have 1 by 2. So this time we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus cos 2x by 4. If you find u double dash, what is u double dash? Differentiation of u dash. By u dash is 1. So if you differentiate next time, then you'll be getting 0. So you stop with this. Okay. So now bring this 1 by 2 inside the bracket. The answer is x square by 4 plus x sin 2x by 4 plus cos 2x by 8 plus the constant of integration is c. Is it clear? Is it clear to you, or shall I repeat it again? Any doubts? Shall I proceed further? Respond me. Any doubts? Is it clear to you? This integration formula, integration by parts formula? Yeah. I move on to the next problem. Evaluate integral x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Okay. So what substitution we can use here? See the numerator x dx. See the denominator x to the power 4. Okay, so if you take x square as t, then you will be after differentiation you will be getting x dx, that is in the numerator. So I can use the substitution. Okay, if you use the substitution t equal to x square, when you differentiate x square equal to t with respect to x, then you will get the numerator term, that is x dx. So take t equal to x square. Now differentiate. So dt is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x dx. From this x dx is dt by 2. Therefore, the given integral becomes integral. What is x dx? It is dt by 2. Replace it here by 1 plus x to the power 4. So 1 plus, since x square is t, x to the power 4 is t square. So 1 plus t square. Here 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside. So 1 by 2 integral dt by 1 plus t square. What is integral 1 by 1 plus t square dt? It is the formula. What is the formula? Anybody knows? Integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx or integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. That is the formula. I'll share the formula sheet in the next class. Integral 1 over a square plus x square formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. The general form is integral 1 over a square plus x square. It is of the form integral 1 by a square plus x square. Here a is 1, it's a constant, so no need to worry about it. So 1 by a means 1 by 1 tan inverse x by a. In the place of x we have t. So tan inverse t by a is 1. So what you are getting is tan inverse t only plus constant of integration c. Since t is a dummy variable, we have to replace it by x again. So 1 by 2 tan inverse. What's the substitution here? T equal to x square. So tan inverse x square plus constant of integration c. The next problem is evaluate integral 1 plus x square upon square root of 1 minus x square dx. This problem is based on standard substitutions. Okay, if we have square root of a square minus x square in the integrand, okay, if the integrand involves the form square root of a square minus x square, then you have to use the substitution that x equal to a sine theta. If we have square root of a square minus x square, if we have square root of a square minus x square in the given problem, then you have to use the substitution x equal to a sine theta. That is the standard form. X equal to a sine theta. This is standard form. Since I have instead of I have 1. So I'm using x equal to sine theta. Okay, x equal to sine theta. Therefore, dx equal to differentiate this. We get dx equal to differentiation of sine theta is cos theta d theta. Therefore, the above integral becomes integral 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square is sine square theta because x is sine theta. So 1 plus sine square theta by square root of 1 minus x square. So 1 minus sine square theta. Dx is cos theta d theta. Cos theta d theta. So 1 plus sine square theta by square root of what is 1 minus sine square theta? It is cos square theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled. So the integrand is 1 plus sine square theta d theta. Separate the integrals. We'll be getting two integrals. Integral d theta plus integral sine square theta d theta. The first integral is integral d theta. What is integral d theta? It is nothing but theta. Integration and differentiation will get cancelled in the first integral. So what you're getting is theta only plus integral. The second integral is sine square theta d theta. So theta plus, again I need to write the formula for sine square theta because I cannot integrate sine square theta. There is no formula for, I cannot integrate it directly. Okay, so integral sine square theta. What's the formula for sine square theta? It is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Take the constant term outside. So 1 by 2. Again, we have integral. We have two integrals. Integral d theta minus integral cos 2 theta d theta. Integral d theta is theta minus, bring this half inside the bracket. So you'll be getting half integral cos 2 theta is sin 2 theta by the constant term is 2. So half theta. This is minus sin 2 theta by 4. So what you're getting is theta plus half theta is 3 by 2 theta. Simplify this, 3 by 2 theta minus, this can be rewritten as sin to the power, sin 2 theta by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta by 2. Why we are writing like this? Because I am going to replace theta by x in terms of x. Okay. Since theta is a dummy variable, so I have to replace it in terms of x. What is the substitution I have used here? X equal to sine theta. My substitution is x equal to sine theta. From this, theta is sine inverse x. So 3 by 2, theta can be replaced by sine inverse x. 1 by 2, sine 2 theta by 2. How I can replace sine 2 theta in terms of x? Write the formula for sine 2 theta. What's the formula for sine 2 theta? It is 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a that you have studied. 2 sine a into cos a. So 2 sine theta into cos theta is square root of 1 minus sine square theta, because sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So from that, cos theta is square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So square root of 1 minus sine square theta, because why we are replacing cos theta in terms of sine? Because we have sine theta value. Sine theta is x. Okay, that's why we are doing like this. So 1 minus sine square theta. Sine theta is x. So sine square theta is x square. So this is 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. Replace it here. 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what's the answer? X into square root of 1 minus x square plus constant of integration is c. Any doubts in this problem? Shall I move to the next problem? The next problem is integral log x the power 2 dx. Here the integrand is logarithmic function, log x square dx. Okay. So take log x equal to t. Take log x equal to t. Take exponential on both sides. E to the power log to the base ex. Actually, this is log to the base ex. So if you take exponential on both sides, what you'll be getting? E to the power log to the base ex is x, right? So x equal to this side you'll be getting e power t. In the right hand side you'll be getting e power t. So x equal to e power t. If x is e to the power t, then dx is differentiate. We'll be getting dx in the left hand side is equal to differentiation of e power t is e power t again. So e power t dt. Therefore, the above integral takes the form integral log x the square. What is log x? Log x is t. So t square. What is dx? Dx is e power t dt. E power t dt. How to integrate this? Integral t square into e power t dt. That is algebraic function, product of algebraic function into exponential function. Here again we are going to use the Bernoulli's formula. That is, this is based on integration by parts. Integral t square into e power t dt. Integral udv is uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus etc. Use this formula. Here u is t square and dv is e power t dt. Okay, so u is t square. What is v? Since dv is e power t dt, integral dv is integral e power t dt. If you integrate e power t, with respect to t, then you will be getting e power t. What is integral e power ax dx? What's the formula? Integration e power ax dx. Anyone?
Log A by log X.
No, no. Integral e power ax dx. Exponential function. Integral e power ax dx. It is e power ax by a. The constant term is a, so you'll be getting a in the denominator. Integral e power ax dx is e power ax by a plus constant of integration c. Okay. So integral e power t is e power t only. Okay. So e power, because the constant term is 1. So e power t. uv minus u dash. What is u dash? U is t square. So u dash is 2t. Differentiation of t square is 2t. This is u dash. V1. What is V1? Integration V. That is integral V. What is integral V? Integral e power t dt. So if you integrate e power t with respect to t, then again you'll be getting e power t only. So e power t minus u dash V1 plus u double dash V2. What is u double dash? Differentiation of u dash. Differentiation of 2t is 2. Next, this is minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2. What is v2? Integral v1. This one. So if you integrate e power t, then again you will be getting e power t. Next time, if you differentiate this, then you will be getting 0. So stop with this. uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2. This is u, this is v, minus v is integral dv. This is dv. This term is dv. E power t dt is dv. So integral dv is v. Integral e power t dt is e power t minus u dash. U dash is differentiation of t square 2t. U dash v1. What is v1? Integral v. It is e power t plus u double dash v2 plus constant of integration. Replace t by x in terms of x. What is t? T is log x. So t square is log x the whole square. E power t is x. So x into log x the whole square minus 2x. T is x. E power t is x. Sorry. T is log x plus 2 e power t is x plus constant of integration is c. Then the next problem is evaluate integral square root of 1 plus sine of x by 2 dx. Integral square root of 1 plus sine of x by 2 dx. How to integrate this one? What formula we can use here? One is replaced by, we have 1. The first term is 1. So it is replaced by sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, what is theta? X by 2 actually. Okay, we know that sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. I need to get x by 4. So I am using this formula. Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. From this, sine x by 2. If I have 2x, then I'll be getting x here. X in the right hand side. So if you want x by 2, okay, what you will be getting here this side? 2 sine. If you have 2x, then here we are getting x. Okay, half of 2x is x. So half of x by 2 is x by 4. So 2 sine x by 4 cos x by 4. Okay, or you can replace x in the place of x. You can replace x by 2. Sorry, x by 4. Okay, x by 4 means you'll be getting x by 2. So sine 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Sine 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. In the place of 2x, I'm having x by 2. I need to find x by 2. How I can get x by 2 value, sin x by 2 value. This is sin 2x value. How I can get sin x by 2? Sin x by 2 is half of this. So half of this one is x by 4 cos x by 4. So replace it here. Instead of sin x by 2, we can write 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. That is the formula. Then this one can be replaced by sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4. Okay, clear. So integral, this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. What's the formula? A plus b the whole square. So sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 the whole square. But we have square root. So you'll be getting sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 dx. Integral sin x by 4 plus cos x by 4 dx. What is integral sin x by 4? It is minus cosine function. So minus cos x by 4 by the constant term is 1 by 4. Integral cos x by 4 is sin x by 4 by 1 by 4 plus constant of integration c. So this is nothing but 4 sin x by 4 minus cos x by 4. 4 is common to these two terms. That's all. Any doubts up to this?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts. Okay. So everybody is clear?